Hey kiddos, this little tutorial is for our new students to Upland Junior. Welcome. We just wanted to help you guys get started in accessing your Google Classrooms and learning how to find your live sessions with your teachers. This also might be helpful for our returning students who may be struggling a little bit in finding their Google Classrooms or who need to troubleshoot a little bit. So here we go. First, if you have a Chromebook that's issued from the school, you know that you always log in with your Upland Unified email account. New students, you will be given your Upland Unified email account by your counselor or by the office, and you will also be given your default password, which is UUSD student, and that's lowercase with no spaces. So first thing I want you guys to do once you get onto your device is I want you to find the Upland Junior High website. So you can just type in Upland Junior High in Google, and it's usually the first one that pops up. It's ujhschoolloop.com. So this is a great place to find information also. That's why we wanted to take you guys through here. There's a lot of info on here with dates and videos and calendars. So most of the time when you have a question, you can probably find the answer on here. There's also this cool new UJH Learning Hub where it has all our different departments on here, and you can actually click on one. I'm going to click on the counseling one. And you can email your counselors directly, and you can go to their websites that they have, and there's all kinds of information on there. We're going to go to resources. You're going to go to students because that's what you are. And you see there's all kinds of student resources here. See, I told you it was a great place to find different things. And you're going to be using a lot of these throughout the year, so you always know where you can find them. So you're going to go to the first one. The first bar is Clever. That's where you're going to start. You're going to log in as a student, and it's going to prompt you to log in with Google. So that's how you know you're on the right one. It says Upland Unified School District. So usually it'll give you the option. Some of us have personal accounts, and we also have our school accounts. So always make sure that you're on your school account, okay? So I'm going to click the one that has the Upland K-12 because that is my school account. So new students, you would log in with your Upland Unified account also, and you would use your default password if you haven't changed it yet. Returning students, you should be familiar with your password. If you do need help resetting it, make sure you email the office or call the office or email one of your counselors or teachers, and they can help you get that reset. So here we are on Clever. Yours looks a little different than mine because I'm on the teacher view, but it has all kinds of different tools that we use here at our school. And the cool thing is once you're on here, you're already logged in, so you don't need to log in again. So what we're looking for our distance learning, where we're going to get started, is you're looking for your Google Classroom. That's where we start. So you're going to click on that. So your Google Classroom is going to pop up, and yours will look a little different like this because I have a lot more classes on here. But what we're looking for is you should have 3 class periods. So you should all have period 1, a period 2, and a period 3. And you should also have your assigned school counselor's Google Classroom. So you either have Mrs. DeLeon or you'll either have Mrs. Hernandez. So everybody should have 4 classrooms on here. But you're going to click on her classroom. And what we're looking for is a Google Meet link. So awesome, hers is right at the top and you can see it. So you're going to click on that, and that is how you get to your live instruction with your teacher at your assigned time. So what would happen is ready to join. Yes, you're ready to join. And you would join your other classmates and your teacher in a live session. We're going to go back now. Some teachers sometimes post it in the stream. There's also a classwork tab. Sometimes they post it there, but most of the time it'll be on the stream or it'll be up in this left-hand corner and you just click on it. And usually it's just a click and it'll prompt you to join. We're going to go back to our classes, and there's something missing here. So some of you may come across this problem. This is where we're going to troubleshoot. See, I have a period 1 and a period 3, but I don't have a period 2. And that's a problem because I need to be able to get to my Google Classroom for period 2 so that I can sign in at my assigned time. So what you're going to do is, if you're missing a period, if you're missing a period 1, 2, or 3, don't worry if you're missing 4, 5, and 6. They're not supposed to be on there yet. But if you're missing a period 1, 2, or 3, you need to do one of two things. One, you either call the office and you let them know, hey, this is my name. I am missing my second period on my Google Classroom. I need the access code. So they will look it up, they'll ask you some questions, and they will give you an access code. Or if you prefer, you can email your school counselor and ask them for the access code, and they will email it back to you. Once you have that access code, you're going to go up here to the little plus sign where it says create or join a class. You're going to click on it, join a class. See, it's asking you for a class code. So I already happen to have a class code saved. So you're going to type it in there. Whatever code they give you, you're going to put it in there. And then you're going to click join. Ta-da! There is your class that I was missing. So you can go through here. See, look at Ms. Carton already has a bunch of stuff on here, how to get on Remind. So your teachers will start to fill this up with different things. And again, so I don't see a link here, right, for my Google Meet. So the teachers usually don't put it up until right before, like 15 or 20 minutes before the session's going to start. So if you go in at another time, you're like, oh my God, there's no link to Meet for the Google Meet. It'll only be up at your assigned time. So remember your assigned slots for live learning. And what those times are, and make sure you're logging in during that time or actually a little bit before to get set up. So back to your Google Classes. So now I have a period 1, a period 2, and I have a period 3, and I have a school counselor 1, right? So remember, you should have 4 classrooms up here. And if you don't, call the office or email your school counselor and ask them for an access code, and they will get that to you. All right, so I hope that was helpful in getting you started with your distance learning. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always email a teacher, email a counselor, or you can call the office. We're happy to help. Have a great week.